Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Zhang from Coco Education. So this video, we will discuss the solutions from question 26 to question 30. Now for question 26, so for the numbers from 2021 to 8999, how many of them have the sum of digits divisible by 7? Now to check this question, let's say we start from 2000. This way it will be easier to check. So later on we just take out the exceptions. And what we will do is we separate the first digit from the last 3 digits. So let's check for the value. Now when the last 3 digits is 000, to make sure that the sum is divisible by 7, the first digit has to be 7. Then when this is 001, then the first digit can only be 6. Then when this is 002, first digit is 5. So 003, first digit is 4. 004, first digit is 3. Okay, 005, so first digit is 2. 006, first digit is 1. Oh, right. This one, it can't be 1 because this is from 2000 to 8999. So it can only be 8. Yeah, so 007. First digit cannot be 0, so it can only be 7. Right, so we check a few more. 008. Then the sum has to be 8 plus 6. 14 is 7 times 2. 009. So first digit is 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. Right, then 010. So sum of digits has to be sum of digits is has to be 7. So first one is 6. So notice that for the first digit is always one choice. It's all the way to 999. And it's 999, so the sum of digits is 27. To make sure the total is divisible by 7, the first digit has to be 8. So 8 plus 9 times 3, this is 35. It's divisible by 7. It's easy to see from the last 3 digits. It's from 000 to 999. So there are 1000 numbers. Okay, for each of them, the first digit is unique. So this is only 1000 ways. Okay, we check there are 2 exceptions. First one is 2005. Just because 2005, this is less than 2021. Second one is 2014. It's also less than 2021. So we take the total, 1000 minus 2. The answer is 998. Question 27. So the smallest possible sum for these 3 fractions. Now, if you want it to be as small as possible, so we should use the larger number as the denominator. So first we know that denominator has to be 4, 5, and 6. Right, then for the numerator, so this is easy to check. Let's say you only have 2 fractions. Okay, if you are only using 1, 2, 3, 4. So comparing the value of 1/3 plus 2 over 4, then compare this to 1 over 4 plus 2/3. So it's easy to see that 1/3 plus 2 over 4, this has a smaller value. Then this means that the numerator, you should arrange it in the same order. So you shouldn't make one number too small and the other number too large. You have to make sure that they have the smallest difference, and then this way the sum is the smallest. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Just add them together. Okay, we find a common denominator, which is 60. So first fraction is 15 over 60. Second fraction is this times 12, so 24 over 60. Third fraction is 30 over 60. So added together is 69 over 60. Simplify this. So divide by 3. This is 23 over 20. This is already the simplest form. So x equals to 23. Y equals to 20. 23 plus 20 is 43. Question 28. Okay, I've already drawn the figure. So basically at each corner you get a square. Then for the other triangles, all sides are equal, so all angles are the same. It's because it's a 12-sided polygon. So you see each of the exterior angle is 360 divided by 12. That's 30 degrees. This is for the exterior angle. So the interior angle is 150. Then 150 you have a 90 degrees, so the remaining is 60. So all these triangles, they are equilateral triangle. So let's say each of the square is 1 U, each of the triangle is 1 P. Now the total area in the figure is 6U plus 12P. So we look for the shader in the first figure, the rectangle. So in the rectangle, we have 2 squares, that's 2U. And then this part is 2P, 2 triangles. Now, if you cut it this way, so you see that this is half of the triangle. So this is 0.5P. So on this side is also 0.5P. So all together, when this one is combined together, it equals to 1P. The one at the bottom is also 1P. So all together we have 4P. This 2U plus 4P. Then for the second figure, we can check the unshaded region first. So first you look at this region. Now, This one unshaded, so it's half of the two triangles plus one square. Right? The shader is half of it. So two triangles plus one square is 1u plus 2p. So this is 1u plus 2p divided by 2. Okay, so this part for the unshaded, that's 1u plus 2p divided by 2. Now at each side we have an unshaded region. So there are 4 of them. So to find the total of the unshaded region, we need to times 4. The unshaded region equals to 2u plus 4p. We find the square. So to find area of the square, we use the total, 6u plus 12p, minus the unshaded region, that's 2u plus 4p. So the difference is 4u plus 8p. Let's find the error ratio. So 2u plus 4p over 4u plus 8p. 2u times 2 is 4u, 4p times 2 is 8p. So this is 1 over 2. The simplest ratio is 1 is to 2. So a equals to 1, b equals to 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Question 29. Now for this one, we have 2 ways to do it. So I think that maybe something is wrong with this question. Yeah, it shouldn't be 2 answers. So if the lines are not parallel to each other, so you can draw it this way. Just make sure that every 2 lines intersect with each other. Okay, so each line intersect with all the other 3 lines. Altogether, this is 4 lines. So n equals to 4. But let's say if the lines are parallel to each other, so you can have 3 lines in the horizontal direction and another 3 lines in the vertical direction. This way, each straight line intersect exactly 3 other lines. So here n equals to 6. Okay, so the value of n is either 4 or 6. But if it's an actual computation, if they didn't say find all the possible values of n, then I would recommend you to just write one of the answer here. Question 30. Now to make the night of a cube, so we just need 6 squares. We need to remove 2 of them. Okay, we check for the one that's removed. Okay, you can either remove 1 and 6. So when you remove 1 and 6, it's like this. Okay, so first row you have 1 square, second row is 3, third row is 2. Or you can remove 1, 7 or 1, 8. Okay. So there are a few ways to form a night-owl cube. But just make sure you can't have a 2 by 2 square in a night-owl cube, because you can't fold this into a cube. So it's either 1 on the first line, 4 in the middle, or 1 on the bottom line. Okay, 1, 4, 1. Or it can be 1, 3, 2. 1 on the first line, 3 on the second line, 2 on the third line. Or it can be 2, 3, 1. Or else it can be 2, 2, 2. So for 2, 2, 2, it looks like this. Okay. Let's just write down all the possible cases, or you can remove 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8. So remove 2, 6, this is a 1, 3, 2. Remove 2, 7, this is also 1, this is 1, 4, 1. If you remove 2 and 8, this is 1, 4, 1. Or we can try remove 3 and 6. So remove 3 and 6, this is 2, 2, 2. 3 and 7, so it's 2, 3, 1. Or it can be 3 and 8. So this is 2, 3, 1. Altogether, there are 9 ways.